Just prior to Desert Bus, on that kind of note, Jordan showed me a video that is so my interests.
Yep.
It was ASMR boyfriend softly puts you to sleep, but then drops 14 pipes. 15 pipes.
15 pipes.
15 pipes.
Because he's like, all right, good night. Have a oh god, and then drops 14 of them.
Yeah, metal pipes.
And then he's like,
yeah, sorry, that's a very good distinction.
Yeah.
Metal pipes.
But then he's like, oh, thank God I didn't drop 15. There's also a really good one that I need to show you later.
Okay. It's
boyfriend falls down a flight of stairs and then into oncoming traffic and one of the cars has a bomb.
This is entirely my interest. Ask who just posted it in chat. Great. Oh.
It's got swears in it.
Yeah. It's not bus safe.
No.
Is it the same boyfriend every time?
This is the thing. It's all different YouTube channels and it's all different guys. But there's a theory that it's all the same universe because it's
the shared universe.
Yeah, because so many end in a car accident and they think that it's the same car accident.
They know there's more than one car accident.
This is
one accident to take them all out.
I feel like there was a second one sometime in history.
I can't remember if it was a car accident, but wasn't there a movie from the early 2000s that was like Time something? No, that
Time
had
Code?
Yeah, where it was split into 4.
No, that was
No.
Frame something.
Something, yeah. It was
Time
like
Frame?
all these
Sliding
other stories that were all happening at the same time.
Yeah, it's all one.
And then it like centralized at one point in the middle of the movie, but it's split screen for like the whole 2 hours, except for that bit.
Time Frame, I think is what it's called, but
something like that. No, it's not Crash, but that's also a good movie, and it is extremely not bus safe. The good Crash. not the other
both
one.
crashes are not actually bus safe, as it turns out.
Time Code, that was it.
Oh,
Thank
Time
you.
Code.
Time Code?
Yeah, thank you, Esku.